back to Angie's Pantry and Merry Christmas. Today I am making manicotti. Real easy, not, you know, just throw it together. The worst part is cooking the noodles. Let me bring you in a little closer to show you how I did this. Now I will have the noodles pre-cooked. So let's get the filling in the mixer. I'm going to put some whole ricotta cheese. And I'm making up a big batch of filling. Okay. This is so easy to make. Alright. In that, I'm going to put in some Parmesan Romano cheese. It looks like to be about a half a cup, but I want to break up any clumps. Also going to add a little bit of mozzarella. Probably about half of a cup maybe. I'm going to grate some fresh nutmeg in there. Now remember, a little goes a long, long way. It just gives it a really good flavor. So about a fourth of a nut. Use fresh. Some chives. I'm going to put in about a good palmful or two. Now this is just my recipe. You guys can make it any way you want to. This is parsley. Parsley's always good and it's very healthy for you. Even though it's dried, it's very healthy. A little bit of basil I'm going to add in there. That much. A little bit of kosher salt. Not a whole lot because there's salt in the ricotta and the cheeses. Then I'm going to add some ground white pepper, about a teaspoon of it. It's a sweet pepper if you've never tried it. For people that don't like pepper, you'll like this white pepper, I think. At least I do. So now I got all the seasoning in there. I'm going to blend it up just a little. And do your britches because it likes to go everywhere. Egg and something else besides my mixture. These are fresh eggs, so there's one egg. There's my second egg. I'll let that blend. Nice and creamy. And there's my filling. Okay, while my noodles are in the water boiling, and it's salted water, I sprayed my pan. And this is my 9x13 crock pot pan. I'm going to put in traditional pasta vegetable on the bottom. I'm going to kind of mix this in throughout the bottom. This is how easy this is. And I am going to mix it with a little bit of roasted garlic. So this one is a vegetarian one. Just kind of flatten that out through all there. Okay, so I just got these cooked and they're cooled, 8 minutes. I got the second batch in there. I'm going to use my Tupperware pastry bag. I'm telling you, this is the best pastry bag there is. You take the blue little part, you pick whatever little design you want, and you put the blue piece in the inside and you push it tight, just squeeze it really tight on there. And what that does, it'll stop the stuff from coming in, and you take your tip, screw it on, and that's it. Let me give that a quick stir. I've got 2 minutes left on cook on this. So to fill your bag, bend your top down. Yep. Let me quick drain those and then I'll be right back. Okay. I got them all pulled out and set in their trays and behind me there because I'm making a double batch. That's why this is so big. So you just take your filling, stick it in there, push it down. You don't want to overfill your bag. Learned that the hard way. All right. Then you roll this back up, twist, and push until you see it there. Set that down there. I'll fill one of these for you. So we're going to grab it, fill it, pinch it to where it's half full. Have it ooze out a little. Squeeze it. Beautiful. See? That's how easy it is to make these. I always never wanted to make them. Again, I'm pinching it. Because it seemed like so much hard work. Actually, it's one of the easiest things to make. I got enough filling to probably do one more. Again, I'm going to pinch the center lightly, not tight. Put that filling in there. You can see where it's filled and where it's not. So you want to push it down and then you can feel it filled. There's that one. Just got done wiping down the sauce there. I got 13 that fit into the 9 by 13 pan. I am going to grab some more of the roasted garlic sauce. Then I'm going to add a little bit more of the pasta water. There, helps me clean out my jar. All right. Whisk that up. Get some roasted tomatoes off of there because that's the flavor. And then I'm gonna pour it down the middle of the manicotti. You want some of the shell sticking out, but not a lot, because you don't want it crunchy. So, the rest of that in. Going to add some mozzarella on the top. Not a whole lot. You don't want to be too much, just enough. And that's it. You bake it at 375 until fully heated through, probably about 25 to 35 minutes. And then what I do, and the cheese will be golden brown. I will take a little bit of Parmesan and put on the top too. What I do is, this is my 9 by 13 crock pot dish. So then I take this dish once it's good and golden brown and I put it in its base and then I put it on low for it to start. And then when it gets hot, I put it on warm and it keeps your dish beautifully warmed until it's all ate up. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's an amazing recipe. Big hugs from my pantry to yours. Bye.